myself, y'all. I'm gonna lick that off my hand. I'm just telling y'all the truth. I really am. Ooh. Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen, you guys. I'm excited because it's breakfast time. It's breakfast time, you guys, and that is my favorite meal of the day. So today I'm going to try a new recipe, and I found this recipe off a site that's called What's Cooking Love, and it is a cinnamon French toast bake. Just the name sounds simply divine, and I cannot wait to try this after it's done. To make this cinnamon French toast bake, you guys, we are using some cinnamon rolls. Ooh wee, that's feels to be good. Yes sir, what you say? Cinnamon rolls, and we're gonna use some eggs. I have 5 eggs right here. We need some heavy whipping cream, which is here. Some vanilla and some ground cinnamon, some butter, and we're actually putting the butter in we're fixing it in a casserole dish, so we have to put the butter in there and let it melt before we add the cinnamon rolls. And then it also calls for pecans, but dude number 2, that little boy of ours, he doesn't care for pecans, so I just have maybe, it might be a half a cup. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit for me and dude number 1, okay? Let's see, is that all I need to tell? Okay, we're going to, before I put the butter in this casserole dish, I'm going to spray it. Try to hopefully make sure stuff just doesn't stick. And my oven has already been preheated to 375 degrees. So I'm going to take half of this stick of butter, and I'm going to put it in this casserole dish so it can start melting while we're getting, look at that, butter. Just going to put it in a dish, and I'm going to put it in the oven for a few minutes so it can start melting while we're cutting up the getting the cinnamon rolls ready, okay? And just in case I don't want to get sidetracked and forget I have that butter in there, so I'm going to set the timer for about 2 minutes just to remind me. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up these cinnamon rolls, and once we cut them up, let's see, we have to cut them. Once we open them up, we separate them, and then we're going to cut them into 4. And we're also going to use the icing that's in here, of course. So I'm going to sit the icing, for right now I'm just going to sit the icing towards the back of the stove, because when my oven is on, it gets really hot towards the back of the stove. So I'm going to just sit it there for right now, and then if I need to melt it some more to drizzle it over, I will. Oh, y'all, this is going to be so good. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, I be trying to do right with my eating, but oh, I declare. And ooh, the holidays are coming, and I'm gonna be doing some baking, and oh Lord, have mercy. Help me, Jesus. Help me to deny myself, or at least eat this stuff in moderation. Because what's going to happen come January the 1st, everybody going to be talking about they trying to lose weight. Okay. So I have all of, y'all look at all this cinnamon. Oh, this is going to be so good. Ooh wee. So So now that I have all of my biscuits open, let me get this casserole dish out. Take out this casserole dish, and we're going to get these cut up so we can put them in there. Put the cinnamon rolls in the casserole dish. Okay, so now our butter is all melted. And we're going to cut the cinnamon rolls in 4. And then we're just going to add them to the casserole dish. With all of that yummy melted butter. This is going to be so good. And you guys, you already know I have washed my hands. Y'all don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands. That's just nasty. That's real nasty. Real nasty. Okay, we have 2 more to go. Okie dokie. Now that we have them in this butter, it didn't say do this, but I just want to kind of toss them a little bit in this butter, y'all. Try to kind of get them a little coated. Okay, now let me try to get them a little even, kind of spread them out even, as even as you can. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to sit this right here for right now, and then we're going to start with our eggs. I want to kind of get these egg yolks broken up and scrambled just a little bit first before I add the other ingredients. Okay, now we're going to add this half cup of heavy whipping cream. Add 2 teaspoons of this ground cinnamon. Guys, I'm trying to keep the cinnamon from going everywhere. And of course I will put the recipe in the description box below. So that's 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Cinnamon, don't forget the cinnamon. And spice are very nice, but don't forget the cinnamon. I was in a group in high school in chorus, and we used to sing this fruitcake song that had that part about cinnamon. Cinnamon, don't forget the cinnamon. Okay, let's see. And then we have some vanilla. And it says 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. Okay, let's slowly get this mixed up. Okay, I think we've got that mixed up pretty good. Now we're just going to drizzle this or pour this over the cinnamon rolls. Okay, now again, I don't want to put the pecans over all of it, so I'm just going to drizzle some pecans over this little one end down here. For me, I'm going to do number 1. Okay, and now I'm going to take my Mrs. Butterworth syrup and I'm going to use this cup here that had the heavy whipping cream in. It don't even matter. How about that? It's all going the same way. And this is 3/4 of a cup. And now I'm just going to pour this over. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Y'all, hey, let me make sure I get every bit of syrup out of there. Every bit of it. Alright, I think that's it. That's it. Alright, so let's get this in the oven. Okay, so we're putting this in again on 375 degrees. And it says to bake it for about 20 to 28 minutes, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'm gonna start it on about 22 minutes and then I'll come back and check it because I do not want it to be overcooked. So since this is the first time that I'm cooking this, I'm just gonna be on the safe side, set it for about 22 minutes and then we'll come back and check it and see how it looks. You guys, look how it's bubbling. I think it's ready to come out. So it's been about 25 minutes. I think we're ready. Oh my goodness. Ooh-wee, y'all. Get this other dish towel. Look at it. Wait a minute. Make sure I'm holding it secure because it is hot. Look. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Oh, Oh, that looks good. So, like I said, bake for about 25 minutes. So now we can drizzle the icing on it, but I want to wait a few minutes and let it cool. Let it cool just a few minutes, because I know if I pour it now, it's so hot, it's going to really kind of like melt away. So I want to be able to see the icing. So I'm going to give it a few minutes, let it cool, and then I'll come back and drizzle it with this icing. It's been about 10 minutes now, and I took these and put them in the microwave for just a few seconds to loosen them up a little bit. And now I'm just getting ready to pour them on the French toast. Ooh wee. Oh y'all, that's gonna be so good. Y'all. I want to try it. Oh my goodness. Come here, honey. This, y'all, this right here. Ooh wee. And look, let me show y'all how at the bottom with the butter and the syrup. Let me show you. Can y'all see how the, ooh, I'm trying not to, can y'all see that butter and syrup? Let me look at it. Can y'all see that butter and syrup down there? Ooh wee.
Let me hold it up, because you know you're short.
No, I was just trying to make sure I wasn't dumping it out on y'all.
No, you hitting over here. Jeffrey, you would have known if you was hitting it.
And I love breakfast too.
You would have known if you was hitting it. Best believe that.
Hit two. Hit two. Hit two. Ooh, y'all, that's good. That's good, y'all. Y'all better fix your some.
I had some. I don't want to eat anymore. I want to save my appetite for it. But it's good though. Wait till you put some syrup. Put some syrup on it.
But it's even good without the syrup.
That's what I'm saying.
It has the syrup and the butter and then the glaze on the top. Y'all.
Yeah.
Look. We not wait. Dude number one is not here, I guess you can tell. So I'm just here. With dude number two, and I guess you do that. Oh y'all, this is good. Oh my goodness, I can't. Ooh wee. Ooh what? Wait a minute, y'all. Let me eat a little bit more, and then I'm gonna let y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go, okay? I'm gonna eat a little bit more, and then I'm gonna let y'all go. Oh, I'm spitting bars. I'm gonna eat a little bit more.
Oh my goodness. Walk
Y'all. They left me by myself, y'all. I'm gonna lick that off my hand. I'm just telling y'all the truth. I really am. Ooh. Y'all. That's good. Steven, you could have told him bye. Anywho, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all, that is really good. I told you the recipe will be in the description box below. Y'all, this is wonderful. I just be looking for breakfast recipes and stuff to try, y'all. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Okay, y'all. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. I already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.